there folks, welcome back to the Chap's Guide. My name is Ash and I am your host on this journey through men's style, self-development and personal grooming. Now this is one of my quick-fire Q&A videos in which I take the opportunity to answer a question or a query which has been sent into the channel by a viewer or subscriber. This is just my opportunity to answer these questions in a video format rather than writing a response in the comments. It's not that I'm being lazy, but I think it's an opportunity for us to connect and me answer your questions personally. So today's question comes from Bill and he says, would you recommend Saphir Cognac or Mahogany for this vintage pair of Edmonds chili shoes? Photographs attached and I will show them to you here. I would like to keep them close to their original colour. Edmonds has since supplanted this colour with dark chili in their product range. Always appreciate your kind response as I know you must be busy, and that's from Bill in Southern California. Well Bill, first of all, congratulations on finding a great pair of, let's have a look, Edmonds Byron model shoes. I can see in effect they are a quarter brogue, so a little bit of broguing across the toe cap, but it's a lovely Oxford shoe which I think will serve you rather well. I hope you got it for a good price. It looks beautiful. I have long admired Edmonds shoes and I've had a particular bent towards their chili colour. Now Edmonds are not readily available here in the United Kingdom. They are available via their website. You can buy them here, but to be honest, they've never really got a foothold, basically because the UK is kind of the epicenter for men's Goodyear welted shoes. There are just so many brands, so many high quality products already available here. Why would we want to buy something which has been imported from thousands of miles away? So as a consequence, I've never personally owned a pair of Edmonds, but I've admired them on my very many trips to the US, and I've always really fancied the chili colour because if you know my channel, you know I really favour oxblood and burgundy coloured shoes because I think they're so much more interesting than your standard browns and blacks, and they're so versatile across the full range of one's clothing. But the chili is a great colour. It's something you will find no trouble wearing with navy colours, with grey colours, brown colours. It's just going to be an invaluable pair of shoes for your wardrobe. And we know the Edmonds shoe is going to last you 20 years. And you can send it back to the factory, have it resold as many times as you like. It's going to be the shoe that will be with you forever. So well done, excellent purchase. So you want to keep it to a similar colour. Okay, I understand. You've got a number of options here. You mentioned mahogany. You mentioned, let's have a look, mahogany or cognac. Now my initial thoughts, I've got some mahogany here on the table. And it's a colour I often use because, as you know, I like oxblood and other colours. Mahogany, to my mind, has a little bit more readiness to it in it. It's got a bit more rouge to the colour than the Saphir Cognac. Cognac, I think, leans more towards brown. So on that regard, I think you may be more interested in the mahogany colour. However, Saphir has a number of different other options out there. You may want to take those shoes in a bit of a different direction. They also have a colour called Hermes Red or Hermes Red, however you want to say it. It's a French company. Let's go with their pronunciation. Hermes Red. And that's a little bit redder again, a bit more red tones. And then they have, of course, a red, simply just red or rouge, full-on red. Now, I'm going to guess that if you want to keep it that natural colour as it comes, you might want to look mahogany or Hermes Red. Have a look at the colour cards where you can clearly find online, and it'll give you an indication of what that colour will be like. However, whilst we're talking about shoe cream, which is what we are talking about here, cream, let's just discuss its relevance and importance in your shoe care regime for a start, because before we start buying it, let's just understand what it can do for us. Now, I've done many videos here where I've applied shoe cream to my shoes. Shoe cream and shoe polish, just for the uninitiated, are two very separate things. All right, shoe polish is mostly wax It comes in a hard format when you open the tin, and generally speaking, this provides a wax shell to be used at the end of your shoe care regime. It's the last thing you apply, although most people who think about looking after their shoes, they may only have shoe wax in their mind when we say shoe polish, because people think shoe polish is shoe wax. However, that is not necessarily true. Shoe cream will be more useful to you on a daily basis, because shoe cream is the thing which has the majority of colour. All right, so if you're looking to add or refresh the colour to your shoes, shoe cream is your preferred destination. Because shoe cream is more liquid in its form. It's not liquid, I mean, it's solid, but it's more liquid-ish than shoe wax. Shoe cream it's made of waxes and oils, and it definitely has a lot of that colour pigment within it. I apply shoe cream maybe once a week or a fortnight if I'm looking to keep my shoe colour vibrant and fresh and vivacious. Shoe polish is something which will come further down the line. So shoe cream, definitely for the colour, for the nourishment of your shoes as well. Now remember, you will be able to alter the colour to a degree of your shoes by adding shoe cream, but it's not going to stain it. It's not going to permanently alter the pigment of your shoes. That colour, that chili colour, when it comes from the factory, that colour is set into the raw leather using an alcohol-based dye. All right? Whatever we apply over the top of that, like shoe wax, shoe cream, it's not going to alter that original colour. As you apply shoe cream to the shoe, all it's going to do is create an outer shell which is of that different colour. All right? It's not permanently altering the original colour of the shoe. So if you apply a darker colour than you like, and it doesn't sit right with you, it doesn't look right, it's patchy or whatever, it's the easiest thing in the world to tear that colour down back to the factory finish. All you need to do is get something like Saphir Pommadier, which is an alcohol-based stripping agent, and it will take that shoe cream away, it will take away those oils and waxes and get you back to the factory finish. So don't be worried if you buy a shoe cream, you apply it to the shoes and you're not satisfied with the end result. You can simply strip it away and get back to that original finish. Don't be worried. All right, it's a temporary alteration to the colour, which is a good thing. However, it's always worth remembering that if you do apply layer and layer of shoe cream to that shoe and you chip it or scratch it, all it's going to do is take it back down to that original colour. You're going to knock that outer shell off and it will take you back to the original colour. Don't be alarmed, all right? That's what happens. It's normal. So there we go. My simple advice to you, Bill, I would personally say Mahogany is a closer match to the chili, but you may also wish to look at Hermes Red. It might be a better solution for you. Good luck. Let me know how you get on. Send me a picture. Let me know how it goes. I hope you found this video useful today. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Click the red button to see more. You can support the channel by buying me a coffee. You'll find a link to that in the show notes below. So until the next time, wear your shoes clean and shiny. There's only one way that you can make a good impression with those shoes. Put a shine on them. Until the next time, take care, and I'll see you again very soon.